with Chef Ricardo cooking program, guys. A couple of days ago, we marinated up some chicken and said, this is Jamaican jerk chicken. But this one, we're gonna do the Jamaican jerk chicken, guys. You know what I mean? Time is cold, so basically we're gonna have to put it straight inside of the oven. But we want to simply say to you, if you're at home and you are doing some Jamaican jerk chicken, all right, and you know what I mean, a lot of people like to do it on a barbecue outside, and a lot of people like to do it inside of the oven. No problem with that, guys. To be honest, you can do some nice, lovely Jamaican jerk chicken inside of the oven at home, and you can enjoy that lovely recipe. And I'm gonna show you how to do that one. Jamaican jerk chicken inside of the oven in the cold weather. Enjoy the recipe from Chef Ricardo. Visit my website at chefricardocooking.com, and also you can get my book to buy on Amazon, 50% off. Thank you so much, guys, for the time. And you know, Jamaican chef, you know what I mean? So enjoy it and see you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. I want to simply say to you guys, this is the chicken which I marinated before, the jerk chicken about 48 hours ago. And to be honest, guys, I say I'm decided to cook it today. So I marinate it and put it into this freezer bag and make it get soaked properly. The video how to marinate the jerk chicken is on the YouTube channel, but we're gonna show you the best way how to cook this lovely Jamaican jerk chicken at home inside of your oven. Remember, at home, you know, in your home, not my home. All right. So basically, if I put, this is my oven tray right here where I normally bake my chicken on. Put a piece of grease-proof paper inside of it, and I'm gonna simply put my chicken just like this. Someone asked me the other day if I wash my chicken before I season it. Yes, I wash my chicken every time before I marinate it. But to be honest, guys, we have to learn, you know what I mean? But this is in the Caribbean, you know what I mean? But since I've been in England, I learned that washing meat is a waste of time. But for me, I wash my meat because I born come see my mother, my daddy, my grandmother, my uncle doing the same thing. So I do it. Alright? So we're gonna show you how to cook off your jerk chicken at home. If you want me to put the link below, that's fine. I can put the link below, guys. Alright? So we're gonna put the link below that so you guys can see how I did marinate the jerk chicken. Alright, that's some thyme on top of it, some fresh thyme. Nice and lovely. So this is just some thigh and leg, as you can see. Lovely and nice. So basically what we're gonna do now, I'm already turned on my oven, so it's a little bit hot at the moment. And I'm gonna be on a gas mark 9 or 8 is good. If you're using a different kind of oven, 175 is good. So we're gonna bake this inside of the oven for roughly half an hour. Inside of the oven. Put in the middle of the oven, not on top the top shelf, gonna make the chicken roast too quick. So put in the middle, as you can take time, roast and cook at the meantime. So this is the next way, guys, how you can do your jerk chicken at home in your oven. In such a cold weather like now. Enjoy the recipe, and thank you so much for watching the cooking show. Nice and lovely, guys. As you can see, I just took the chicken from the oven, and look at that. That's beautiful and nice. As you can see, the lovely color on top of it. So guys, hopefully this is the way you can do your chicken at home in your oven. Come out lovely like this, really nice. A little bit of jerk chicken can put on a Christmas table. So guys, thank you so much for watching my cooking show, and hopefully we can do better in the future. I will put the link down below how to marinate your jerk chicken at home. Enjoy it.